Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. A wonderful flavor for those who love syrup-soaked desserts. I want to share the recipe for a semolina cut, syrup-soaked dessert. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you can be informed about my new recipes. I look forward to your likes and comments. In our mixing bowl, let's put 125 grams of butter at room temperature. On top, 1 egg. Half a tea glass of liquid oil. 2 tablespoons of semolina. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Let's add 1 packet of vanilla. We will add our flour gradually. First, let's add 1 glass of water of flour. Let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's start kneading our dough. Let's slowly add the second glass of water while kneading. I added 2 glasses of water plus half a tablespoon of flour to my dough. Please add it in a controlled way. Look, our dough's consistency will be like this. It should be a dough that doesn't stick to the hands but is slightly soft. Tearing off small pieces from our dough, approximately egg-sized. On the counter. Rolling it with our hands. Approximately finger thickness. Let's give it a cylindrical shape. Let's put some semolina into a shallow dish. Dip the cylinders we made into the semolina. Let's place them back on the counter. Let's roll them a bit again so the semolina sticks well. Approximately half a finger in length. Let's cut our desserts. Arrange our desserts, smoothing them out, on our greased tray. Let's shape all our doughs and place them on our tray. In a preheated oven at 170 degrees, on the rack below the middle one. Let's bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. For the syrup, 2.5 glasses of water of sugar. Let's put 2.5 glasses of water into our pot. Stir occasionally until it boils. After it starts boiling, for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Let's boil our syrup. Let's remove our slightly thickened syrup from the stove. Pour our hot syrup over our hot dessert. Let's wait about 2 hours for our dessert to absorb the syrup. And then we can serve it.